We are now going to talk about special types of ratios, which is percents. So we're going to go through a few examples and explain what it is. So there is an 80% chance of rain tomorrow. That has the word percent in it, so that's a percent. Diego always gives 110%. Your battery is 50% charged. Joe received a 90% on a 10-question quiz. So a percent is just when you have that percent afterwards. So each situation describes a special type of ratio called a percent. The percent is a part to whole, where the ratio where the whole is equal to 100. So percent is another name for hundredths. And the percent symbol is this symbol here, and it means per 100 or out of 100. So let's look at an example. So here we have this example here. We have this grid with these shaded in. We can see that it's a 10 by 10. So if you count, it's going to be 10, 20, 35. So we would say it's 35% or 35 out of 100. Another way you can write it is 35 over 100. So you can also write it as 35 over 100, which is the same as 35%. And we are not to decimals yet, but I'm going to show you it. It's also the same thing as saying 0.35 or 35 hundredths. So basically a percent is something out of 100, and it's going to have this little sign, that's the percent, and that is it. And you're going to do a few of these problems next.